preparation for service. So when the bus comes in after service, it comes in, it's in a condition, it needs to be cleaned, updated, but possibly maintenance needs to happen. So it will be parked in certain lanes within in preparation for the next step, which is either cleaning or going into maintenance. And so when everything is nice and organized, you see buses kind of all over the place, but everything is set up for that purpose of an onward utilization of the fleet. So you'll see all different types of vehicles here, brand new vehicles, mid-life vehicles, and I'm sure for some of you, the old vehicles that are the best ones that we have. The older ones are typically stored right at the end of these rows here. You might have to peek through the different rows, but just so everyone knows, the different unit numbers we have actually have a numbering convention. So the first digit, the first two digits, correspond to the year of service that this bus was put into service. So when you see the buses around, the older one's my favorite, the Van Bulls. There's one over here, starts with a 5, and that's because 2005 is when it started in service. Pro Masters for the Mobility on Request contracts are on this side, the brand new ones as well. The one that's wrapped is part of the display, very similar model. All the new ones now have USB charging underneath the seats, so you know, 2025, we joined the modern world with USB charging. You know. Oh, there we go. So this facility has a generator. You'll see it on the side here. That can run this facility. So about 2 weeks ago, we had half day running because Richmond Hill, the power was out of Richmond Hill for half a day. So there's redundancy. And we have also these little storage tanks. Diesel fuel, sorry. That's how expensive it is. That's a lot of gas. Canadian Air Force is spending a lot. Yeah, like certain tap. I was even alive one time when I wrote that. Yeah, this is all Miller, hey? Miller yard. So every night the buses come through this process to refuel, get the fluids checked and topped up, and then washed. So there's different rows, different lines here. Based on what the bus needs, but every bus in the facility has this process done every day. So there's the fuel pump. I'm sure it's not fuel, but there is a gas pump, diesel pump, whatever you want to call it. Everything is neatly laid out, so it's a pretty efficient, easy process to get done. So you have the fuel very days for washing. We're going to go through one of them, and there's one for inspection, just on the side. Here we go. They're brand new Flyer XD60. They're not bad buses. The seats are not comfortable, but to get the service at the end of it. Is this owned by Miller or is this owned by what? By what region? I think like what YRT owns the property, but they lease out operations to Miller. So your property would be technically Miller should the maintenance system contract for their vehicle. YRT owns a contract.
thing's old.
Yeah.
Well, maybe we excuse me. Excuse me. What's with the school bus?
It's part of the operator training when they're first initially brought in for just spatial awareness.
Interesting.
It's an asset that's better to replace than a conventional.
Right, yeah, of course.
So
Neat.
not that that's ever really an issue, right?
Of course, of course. Did you test ride today? That thing got absolutely destroyed.
When was it?
502.